Welcome to St. Gregory School. My name is Miss Rellinger, the principal. I'd like to take a moment to say thank you to our school community for supporting us. I'd like to thank Father Khalid and St. Gregory Parish for leading us in our faith community services, our masses, and our liturgies. It is a blessing that we're able to come together as a school and faith community. We are very fortunate to be so close to St. Gregory Parish that we're able to walk over and enjoy our masses and liturgies at the church. Each mass, a different class, leads the readings. We have a large choir of dedicated students led by Madame and Mrs. Rogers, spanning multiple grades, who enjoy singing their hearts out during Mass. They encourage us to join along and lead us in beautiful psalms.